Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of April 5th through the 11th. And I have the cutest kit. I'm so happy to use this. It's just so bright and colorful. And I love the pops of the navy. Last week I did a really neutral spread, so it's really nice to kind of mix it up with something really colorful. So this is so cute. This is called Garden Party from Lemon and Honey Studio. It's so cute. I got the full boxes page, and I got the mini kit page 1 and 2, and the washi sheets. So those 4 are good for me. I think I could even, I don't know. I think these 4 pages are good. There's also the icons that came with the kit as well. So here is the full box page. I'm just like obsessed with these rainbows and the flowers. They're so bright and cheery. And then the washi, which I'm going to have to cut down, which I hate, but it's going to be so pretty. And then the boxes page. And then I also have these cute little icons that match the kit perfectly. So before we get into the plans, let's look at my weekly action items for this week. All right, so this week, I'm going to try to step it up a notch, just a little bit, and just kind of hit some of my goals just a little bit harder. I need to put forth a little more effort. Okay, so personal, I've got self-care night. I've also got Stitch Fix coming to kind of treat myself. Fun and recreation, rest time on Sunday. I want to make that a priority, and I want to catch one planner live or replay. We have STAR testing this week at work. I just want to have this to check off. And then I moved my intuitive eating learning over here because it kind of makes sense. It's like continuing education for myself. So I put that over here for this week. Family and relationships are the same. Just talking to my sister and my parents. Health is pretty much the same too. Activity every day, meal planning, sleep, and skincare, which this is getting better. I have a lot more work to do on that front to make it more like routine again. And then spiritual and personal growth. I just added on here a podcast, something, like self-helpy kind of, just inspirational for this week, and then update my budget, and then continue looking for an outdoor space, like set. I don't know if I want to set or like pieces, but definitely researching some stuff on that. And then of course tidying up. So that's this week. Nothing crazy, but I do want to get some stuff done this week. All right, so I think we're ready to get started. So let's do it. So I'm going to start with the bottom washi, and I'm just trying to figure out how wide I want to make these strips because this is more of a traditional bottom washi, and so I want to kind of cut it down and personalize it for this planner, which I am loving, by the way. I've been in it for about a month and a half or so and just kind of still obsessed with it. It's just so cute. Now with this bottom washi, I wanted to be sure to include some of that navy herringbone pattern. I just love it so much. So you can see that I'm just kind of manipulating it to match like the patterns that I want, and then also the size. So I realized with the habit tracker section that I wanted a little bit more width on it. So I just cut another strip of the bottom washi and just kind of butted them up next to each other, and you can't really tell. Like, I mean, you can, but you can't. It looks fine to me, and I just really love those bold patterns. They're just really fun. And then I just add a little bow clip to the habit tracker section. I'm just whiting out a few of the little like kind of peek throughs from the dot marker. And then for my day covers this week, I just pulled this blue pen. It's an Ink Joy gel, and I just wrote the numbers on there because I'm lazy. But I do think it looks really nice because it is kind of like a navy color, and it just looks really good with this whole kit. I was kind of debating at the time, did I want to do blue or black ink, but I do think it looks nice. And then I'm pulling this coral colored dot marker, and which those are linked in the description along with everything else if you want to check it out. I'm obsessed with them as well. They're just so cool and versatile, and I'm just loving them. Okay, for the sidebar, I put in the quote box here, which says everything blooms in its own time, or with yeah, in its own time. And then I put in my April sticker from Planning Roses that matches the planner up at the top, and I kind of layered it over the quote box just a little bit. I think that looks cute. And then I'm using some of this bottom washi that was kind of the thinner strip to create some washi strips. So I'm pulling a top 3 sticker from Hand Can Plan, really loving these and doing the top 3 still. It's just really functional for me. And yes, this planner is functional for me. I use it every day. I look at it every day. I check in with it multiple times. So I do want it to kind of work for me, not just be pretty, which I do love it being pretty as well, but I need that function from it. And so I'm also pulling my weekly cleaning list, which y'all barely ever see filled out, but I do it. I just usually do my cleaning on Sunday, or at least finish it up on Sunday. So you usually don't see the finished cleaning list, but yes, that is functional for me as well. I love checking things off, you know, just having that little, I don't know what it is for my brain, but just that little check off helps me, keeps me motivated. So my sidebar is pretty much finished. I've got my little highlight box, which I'm going to use just some leftover deco and pull that in for my little highlight. I just put in a little sunglasses because why not? This is a very sunny week, and I just thought that looked cute, and I'm marking 7 more weeks of school. I can't believe it's flying so fast, which I love, but I can't believe the school year is almost over. Okay, so starting with the full boxes here. So I'm going to cut some of them down because I don't have the room to use them fully, and I'm getting used to that too. I can kind of figure out and feel out how big I need my boxes, and so I'm putting one on Sunday. Sunday seems to be a safe day pretty much every week, but the other days it just kind of has to correlate with my plans for the week, which obviously I haven't been having a lot of those lately, but Tuesday and Wednesday for this week seem to be good weeks for cut down full boxes. And then I'm just pulling out my day off sticker from Virgo and Paper to mark in Monday. So we had Easter Monday off, which is really nice. It was just a nice long weekend. It was also beautiful outside, just super gorgeous. And then I'm just putting in a box for my workout for that day and a quick little checklist. Since I did have the day off, I wanted to use it to the best of my abilities while still incorporating some rest. But I put in the checklist there just for some specific things on Monday. And then I'm pulling these 2 labels here for my well, not the state testing in Texas, which is called STAR. Monday didn't go well. If you live in Texas, you may have been affected. But Thursday went off without a hitch. It was great. Great's not the right word because I hate testing, but it went well. I'll say that. And then I'm using these 2 little labels to mark in my physical therapy for this week. I've only got 1 more appointment, and then I'm on my own to finish out my recovery. However that's going to work. I don't know. I'm going to talk to them on Tuesday and we'll figure it out. And then also on this Tuesday, I got Blue Apron and I marked it with a Made with Southern Love little Blue Apron sticker, which is so cute. And then this box here on Wednesday is for my workout for that day. And then the box on Saturday is just for whatever I do on Saturday night, which is going to be a whole lot of nothing, I am sure. I'm just like wiped out by this week. This testing is just super boring and it just, for some reason, is exhausting. I don't know. On Friday, though, a good thing was that I got in with my hairstylist, and so I was able to get a haircut, which is much needed. I meant to get one in January, but then my accident happened and it was a whole thing. I had to wait. So it felt really good to just be kind of pampered for a little bit. And then that yellow box on Friday is for my workout for that day, which just didn't happen. I mentioned I was tired, so just not happening. But Saturday was really good. I got my goals check in there. That's a Hand Can Plan sticker and a Blue Scooter Press Moxie Life planner. And then I pulled the planner from the kit, which is really cute to mark in filming on a quarter box. and I like how that looks. And then this box here that I just laid down was for my workout for Saturday, and there's one for Sunday. And then I had to use some of this pattern because I'm like obsessed with it. It's so pretty. So I just cut down a strip of that and put it on Tuesday. And then I opened up just to check in with my goals. So I put them side by side and I just see what do I need to add to this spread. Again, making it functional, emphasis on the fun. But my habits this week are 15 minutes of intuitive eating learning every week. This week was mainly just podcasts because it was easy. Doing my PT exercises every day. And then my last one was sleep schedule, just getting back onto a regular sleep schedule after like daylight savings time and all that. And I feel like I did a really good job at that. And as you can see, I'm also pulling in some things for my to-do list from my weekly action items list. So here is how this week turned out. It's so pretty and bright and cheery. And every time I looked at this spread this week, it just made me happy. It wasn't like a bad week or anything. I was just feeling kind of blah and just like not into it or anything. So I do have a lot of stuff to catch up on this weekend because of that. But I'm feeling a little better now. I'm feeling a little like there's some sunshine outside and just like, I don't know, I'm feeling the weather and feeling good. So yeah, this week is so cute. I just needed all of the bright colors. So here's what I have left in the kit. Got a couple boxes here. You know, half boxes used to be like one of my favorite things ever, and now I just don't really have a huge use for them. I'm all about those quarter boxes these days. And then I used quite a bit of the washi and stuff. So here's the week, and then let's check in with my goals real fast because I mentioned feeling blah. So I do still have to schedule my rest time on Sunday, which I already have noted here. And I need to call my sister or talk to her or something. This was like a check. I'm giving myself a check minus for that. I did meal plan. Sleep was really good this week, and skincare, check minus. Not for the fault of like my routine though. Just like I got some issues with my skin that I am fixing, but yeah, work in progress. So this week was pretty good. We got through the STAR test, which sucks so much. It didn't go well on Tuesday for the entire state. The program basically crashed. So we redid it. Well, we continued, I guess, on Wednesday, and then we finished on Thursday. So we're done with that for a little bit, but hate it so much. If you're a teacher, I have a feeling you feel the same way. But I do love this week, and it's just so cute. I got to get some stuff done this weekend and finish checking off all of this stuff. But like I said, feeling good, and I'll get it done, I'm sure. Hopefully. But let me know how your week went, if it was good, bad, everything in between. And if you got a highlight, anything like that, I'd love to hear. And I think that's everything. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you around here. And I'll see you next time. Bye.